couple of things which we have added recently is the SME zone. अभी
Yeah.
SME की बहुत बातचीत हो रही है. So we are trying to cover in a best possible manner कि कौन कौन से SME stocks हैं, उनमें gainer कौन है, loser कौन है, result क्या आ रहे हैं. Companies with a high result will obviously have a high propensity to more market cap growing, but we need to be very mindful of the SMEs and how the valuation of SMEs is done. Delivery, which stock is witnessing high delivery, and technical screen as it is. That obviously if the stock which has a high momentum, you will tend to buy that stock. So SME में exit करने के लिए ये सब बहुत important है कि अगर कोई stock है जिसमें momentum lose हो रहा है, अपने moving averages के नीचे चला गया है, तो better to exit because आपको पता नहीं है अंदर में उस stock में शायद क्या चल रहा है जो आपके knowledge में नहीं है. Apart from that, what I have done is the entire learning series of Learn to Trade is hosted in StockEdge now. So, I mean, you can refer your younger generation or people you think would like to learn from us absolutely free of cost. So, the Learn to Trade Pura series is here, including the Learn to Trade Pro, Learn to Invest. So, anyone who wants to learn the art of investing from basics to sector research to thematic stock idea generation, everything is now hosted in StockEdge Learn section. So take advantage of this free initiative we have been taking for many years now.